Greetings of the day. My name is Lakshman Jajodia, Assistant Professor, GS College of Commerce, Badam. In today's video lecture for BCom third year 6th semester, we will discuss about business finance second unit, the part of stock exchange, which we have discussed in the earlier lecture. In this particular video lecture, we will start with an stock exchange, which might be known to few of you or all of you. That is National Stock Exchange, popularly known as NSE. Let's begin with it. National Stock Exchange, NSE, that is the India's largest financial market, which was established in the year 1992 and it is headquartered in Mumbai. Its ranking is third in the world in terms of transacted volumes on the stock exchange. So what are the securities in which NSE deals? So it deals with stocks, debts and derivatives. Means almost all the securities are being traded or purchased and sales or transacted at NSE. Its index is Nifty. So Nifty consists of weighted average of 50 top companies of India from different sectors. It means that companies from various sectors which are on the top weighted average are being on the list of Nifty. It means that its list gets continuous updated on the basis of weighted average. The companies are being listed on the exchange. It is the first exchange in the country to start with the dematerialized electronic exchange. It was the dematerialized electronic exchange. It means that electronic form of shares are being exchanged or are being available firstly on this stock exchange. Another feature related to this is that it is provided with fully automated screen-based electronic system of trading. It means that all the advanced system or all the advanced and modern facilities are being used at the NSE so that investors as well as investors not from our own country but from foreign can be benefited with it. Then the stock exchange also offers clearing and settlement services through its wholly owned units known as National Securities Clearing Corporation, which was again established in the year of 1995. The objective of establishment of National Securities Clearing Corporation was to offer clearing and settlement services to the investors of NSE on its behalf. Apart from NSCC, other subsidiaries or associated companies with NSE are National Commodity Clearing, National Securities Depository Limited, which is an electronic repository to all the electronic form of securities, and National Commodities and Derivatives Exchange. All these are associated or the subsidiary companies which are working with NSE. Then moving to the objectives of NSE. The very first objective of NSE is to provide equal access to all the investors all over the country with the help of appropriate communication network. So what is the objective of NSE? To provide an appropriate communication, to provide or to ensure equal access to all investors in the country. How they are going to have this kind of thing? By an appropriate communication network which could help them to provide equal access to information to all investors. What this would help? This would help in providing fair, efficient and transparent trading of securities. That means that if there is proper flow of information or equal access of information to all investors, definitely there would be fair trading. Efficiency can be seen by the end of investors also, and there would be transparent dealing and there would not be any kind of biasness or any kind of insider trading. How this would be done? This would be done by appropriate communication system. That means that they are using an electronic system which helps them to send or to give access to investors all the real-time information or data which is available with the stock exchange. Another objective of NSE is to establish or to set up nationwide trading facility for all types of securities which are available in the Indian market. It means that they are trying to provide all the securities under one roof, that is of NSE. Then it enables book entry system along with short settlement cycle. This is also necessary that settlement should be done as soon as possible so that there would be more transactions can be executed and investors would have more transparency and faith in the stock exchanges. Next is it tries to meet the international benchmark and standards. Why so? The question arises here, why we need to go to the international benchmark and standard? Because we all know that India is having a rapid development. Our market has reached 52,000 mark and it would be grow and flourish in future also. But for that purpose, it is quite necessary to attract more investors into the market. Apart from our own country, we have discussed that there are FIIs, that is foreign institutional investors. So foreign investors are also there who are willing to invest in our market. So NSE tries to meet these standards so that they would be encouraged and motivated to come to Indian market or particularly to NSE for the purpose of their investment into the market. This is the another objective of NSE. Then last part related with the NSE is its market segments. The very first market segment is wholesale debt market segment. As the name suggests, two things. First thing is that it provides the wholesale market to the investors, or it is wholesale market for everyone. Second thing, it only deals in debt securities. Two things are quite clear from the heading or from the market segment. So the segment refers to trading platform for a wide range of fixed income securities. Fixed income securities are those securities which are having fixed interest or anything like that. It means that the securities like central government securities or bond, corporate debentures, treasury bills, commercial paper, certificate of deposit, zero coupon bonds, all these kind of debt securities are being traded in wholesale debt market. Second market is capital market system. Again, this system of NSE provides platform for transparent and fair trading. So what can be the various securities which are being traded or which are being available in capital market system? It can be equities, it can be debt, preference share, debentures, exchange traded funds, retail government securities. All these kind of securities are available in capital market system. This is it with related with the NSE. What are the bullet point? It was established in 1992, whereas its first subsidiary for providing clearing and settlement services was established in 95. It is India's largest stock exchange in terms of volume of transaction, whereas its index is Nifty, that is top 50 companies according to weightage average are included in the Nifty. That is what we have discussed. Next thing we have discussed is its objectives, and last thing now we have discussed is market segmentation. This is it for this lecture, that is related with the National Stock Exchange. In the next lecture we will start with our new topic, that would be Bombay Stock Exchange, popularly known as BSE. Until then, stay tuned. Thank you.